this. Okay, that would be also placed at the lower side of these four. So let's start first with from here. We are going into part design. First start with motors and propeller, or first motors, then landing gear, and then propeller, whatever we can. Choosing this plane and sketch over it. For motor we just need a circle here. One, two, three, and four. Okay, I will place it at the center and reduce its radius. It must be at center. Let's make all of them equal. First, these two. Okay, these two should be equal. Now I can place it at the center. Okay, similarly this one and this one also equal. Now I can place it at the center of the. Okay, similarly this one also equal to this one, making them equal. Now I can place it at the center. Okay, now I will come out of the sketcher, taking it as a isometric view. Here what will I do? I will just simply pad it. Let it be 30 mm. That is 3 centimeter. A motor thickness most probably would be 3 centimeter. Okay, now we have, these are our motors, but not looking like motor. I am going to give some camphor here. Sorry, this edge, this, and this. All the four edges taking camphor. 7 mm of camphor. Okay. Now axle of the motor is left. Similarly, taking this plane and making a smaller circle for axle. Plane, get into sketcher and making a circle here at the center. Much smaller. Okay. Yeah. Can't mirror it. Making another circle over here. And one. First I will make them equal and place at that at a place equal. I'm making it by assumptions that it is on at the center only, but you have to make it at proper center while designing an original drone. Similarly, I will do the same process here, just assuming it as a center, making a small circle there. Similarly, here. Okay, exit, zooming in, making these circles. Gosh, this circle and this circle equal. Similarly, this circle and this circle equal. Now all the four circles are equal and assuming it as the centers coming out of this. Now just padding it. These are the axles where our propeller will be placed. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, now propeller is left. We can do, we have already made two blade propeller in our previous classes, and the similar way we will make a propeller taking it as a origin, taking a plane parallel to this. First we'll make a aerofoil here, then a plane parallel to this at this distance, and then at this distance. Okay, before that we we will make stand over here or a landing pad through which it lands over the was placed over the ground. It could be anything, any shape. So for that I'm going to take a plane exit plane and sketch over it. Okay, here we have first one. Here we will make that stand. Okay, I am just simply making a triangle shape here. Okay, something like this. I knew this. Just making them coincide and horizontal, but those are horizontal, this one and this one. Okay, something like trapezing and placing it alongside here can reduce this distance. As you can see, this much would be sufficient, making zoom to fit. Yeah, it would be sufficient or more than sufficient, you can say. Now I will close it. I will pad it. Okay, the plane is not right, so this could not be made. We need a plane parallel to this. So why not choose this space only while making that landing gear? This plane and sketch over it. Now I can do one thing here, making that similar shape alongside here. Okay, finish. Now those horizontals, this one as well as this one. Okay, escape, placing it here. Now close. First zoom to fit. Here we have. Now I can pad it. I want to see it from right plane so that I could see. Okay, I want it into reverse direction. Fine. Now it is at the center, increasing its thickness. Okay, fine. You can see we have made this here. Now I can take this and revolve it around this axis, and we have all the four, but the count is 2, so I will change it to 3 and then 4. All the gears are placed at its place. Okay, now you can see it. All the 4 gears are placed. Now it can stand over these gears. Okay, now we are only left with the propeller of the this propeller. We know how to make a propeller. Taking this plane, a datum plane about it. We need to see this from this side. I can also type it here. 100. That is not enough. 400. Okay, now it's going slowly. 410 would be enough. Okay, taking this plane and sketch over it. Of course, I want to see it from whole. Hmm, yeah, it is fine, but we need some more, little bit more towards that. 410 is not enough. I guess 415 would work for us. Yeah, it is bit fine. Looking fine for now. Now we can sketch over this. Yeah, what we need, just just two arcs I am going to make. Okay, another arc to here like this. Okay, moving these two arcs away so that we first I will I am unable to see that point. Here it is. And close. It would be very difficult to make this propeller here alongside, so we can do one thing, that is assemble those propellers over here. When we have dimensions, we will make them separately and assemble them here, as we have already made that. How to, you know how to make that part, that propellers, so you can do it very easily. Okay, if you want me to do, I can make a simpler, a plane, and make a propeller like this here. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you.
Thank you, sir.